Our vision is a future where innovation leads with responsibility, with a furniture production that sets new standards. Here at Bene in Weidhofen an der Ybbs, cutting-edge technologies meet genuine sustainability, driven by continuous development. We consistently invest in smart manufacturing technologies, in know-how, in state-of-the-art machinery, and in a production process that saves resources and cuts emissions. Around 1/3 of our electricity requirement is covered by solar power, generated by 6,930 photovoltaic modules, spanning an area of 13,200 square meters, supplying our production hall, our head office, our charging stations for electric vehicles, and Austria's first fully electrically powered lift truck named Weasel, which is quiet and emission-free. The rest comes entirely from hydropower. This equates to an annual saving of 100 tons of CO2 emissions. Circularity is part of our design philosophy. In product development, we prioritize components that can be easily separated, supporting the recycling process. And we rely on raw materials with a high share of recycled content. Our just-in-time production line is smart, efficient, and precise, with autonomous transport systems that navigate independently and deliver components exactly where they're needed next. With robots that sort and assemble with efficiency, and with an AI-powered quality control that identifies and analyzes irregularities. The final check is in the hands of our experienced colleagues, because in the end, human perception is irreplaceable. Expertise with passion and precision, with the ambition to make every single piece of furniture perfect. We pack our products in continuous corrugated cardboard, recyclable and tailor-made. This not only saves unnecessary packaging material, but also reduces empty transport volume. For us, innovation and sustainability are not static. They're a journey, and it's a journey we're taking. For our customers, for our environment, for tomorrow. Bene, inspiring offices since 1790.